Hey friends, guess where we are?
Hey everyone.
We took a flight down to Florida to do a delivery of a coach.
1324.
1324.
I think we showed everyone that coach a couple weeks ago. Sold in one day.
Yeah.
Great customers, so happy with the coach. So
yeah, it's beautiful.
It's a lot of fun doing the delivery. So we're here for 2 days.
Yeah. So while being here, they have this coach down in Florida, in San Antonio, Florida. It's coach 1308. It's a bunk coach. But don't let that throw you. You can see the beauty of this coach behind us.
Yeah.
We're just going to go through quickly, give you another sneak peek and kind of a refresher course on this coach because someone's going to love this one.
Yeah. Great colors, great floor plan, bath and a half.
Yeah.
So we'll show you how that works with the bunks and the baths. So yeah, great coach. Let's go take a look.
All right, friends, we're going to take a little walkthrough through this coach, and there's just a simple reason. If you like the lighter colors, this is like a grayish color. I'm not sure how it's showing on the video. And then it has a creamy gray on the walls. It's stunningly beautiful. I don't want somebody to miss out on this coach. So let's just take a look a little bit through here. Another great feature on this coach is the fact that this table in the booth pulls out. So your booth seats also pull out to accommodate sitting at the table. This coach can totally support a family or couples traveling with friends because of the bunks. Also, the other wonderful thing that I like, the pantry here, they are very wide shelves. Sometimes due to space, we'll see them be a little narrow. In this particular coach, you're going to see very wide storage. And you don't even have to just use this for food. Your sheets, towels, everything fit perfectly in there. So there's many uses for a lot of the storage. And then we come to the bunks. So Randy, I don't know if you can get all this in here.
I think so.
So this is why, another reason I love this coach. Some people look at this and go, oh, I don't want a coach that has bunks in it. But if you really think about it, this is amazing storage. You don't have to travel with kids. And they are, just to note, they are long enough for adults. This bunk goes down just by touching a button. Bunk down. We won't put it down all the way, but I do want you to see there is a hanging bar in here. You could have a full closet. You could have a half closet where you hang shirts or you fold your pants, and then you still have storage underneath. And then a third level, because there are drawers also. So there are 3 drawers.
Drawers for the kids' stuff?
Or for your own stuff.
Yeah.
I just don't want people to always think, well, that's a coach for kids. It's truly not. It's storage. It's a sleeping accommodation if you do. Or even if you have one extra person with you, you put your storage on the bottom one. The person sleeps in the top one. There's so many uses. So we got to get out of the box of thinking that this is a coach for a family or for children, because multiple uses always. The other beautiful thing, if you use this for storage, this folds up nicely. And again, a push of a button.
Oh, nice. That is really
nice.
nice.
Finishes off the wall. No one even has to know what's in here. So come on over to the bathroom. This is another just wonderful feature. Bigger and better. The shower is huge. This shower is huge.
It is. It is a big
Tons
shower.
of space. You can wash your hair. You can shave your legs. This shower is amazing. So another great feature of this coach. And then we just go on to the bedroom here. And again, these light colors in the gray and the grayish, which is a combination of a beige and a gray together on the upper cabinets, on the lower cabinets, and even on the shades. This is just luxury at its finest. It's a beautiful, beautiful coach. And of course you have your half bath in the back. So we're gonna pop outside and we're gonna go through the bays with Randy, so stick around.
All right, everyone, here we're on the outside of 1308. Got all the bay doors up. Beautiful thing about a double slide, all the doors go up, as you can see here. Once again, in the new coaches, we don't do anything in the front 2 bays to let the new buyer customize it, and there's some amazing things you can do in these bays. So this bays goes all the way through. Got a couple chairs up here. Here, this is all your extra, your samples of your carpet. So that's what all this stuff is in here. It's all stuff that you take out once you buy the coach. Once again, all of this can be developed into whatever you want. And then this is a little new. This is a little bit of a new TV setup. The TV comes out, swivels, and then the whole cabinet actually comes out.
Oh, let's back up a minute so we can see that. Okay.
To give you a little bit more visibility,
Oh.
which makes the TV very, swings about every which way you want it. So that's very nice. And then of course your satellite receivers are behind here. You got another iPad out here.
Let's see those receivers a minute.
There.
Oh yeah, perfect.
So then you just snap that back in, bring the whole cabinet back in.
We know that some of our viewers really enjoy seeing the bays.
Yes.
So we're going to make sure that we get that in for you.
And then normally this is where your ladder goes. I guess someone needed a ladder, so it's got right now. And then of course here's your standard Marathon plumbing bay, which just looks amazing. So
Beautiful.
that's kind of a look of the bays. You can see how the doors go up. Very nice. And we'll get you some shots of the outside of the coach with the doors down.
All right, friends. Well, we hope you enjoyed the little tour of 1308. You don't want this coach to get away. If you're looking for a coach that is functional, has storage, and is a marathon,
Yeah, definitely.
this is the one.
Yeah, and the nice thing is we also have 1309, which is
Oh,
the
yeah.
same floor plan, just some different colors. So if you go to our website, you'll see 1309, same floor plan, a little different colors inside and out, but both very stunning coaches. So, if you have any questions, feel free to call Dawn or myself. Everything is listed on our website, or any of the other sales consultants at Marathon, either in Oregon, Texas, Florida. Everyone is willing to help you, so reach out to whoever you can. And once again, thanks for watching Randy, Dawn, and a Marathon Coach.